This is Yamaha soundbar, and it's burned. All the digital stuff is burned. I couldn't fix it. So, but it has plenty of interesting stuff, like these tiny speakers, which you can build a whole, I don't know, bunch of mini Marshall amplifiers. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to extract the woofers from here and see how they look and what they are capable of. So let's start right now. Glass screws. Yamaha still makes good stuff. The quality is very good. Almost. Well, this down. Here we go. Just how to move. Two more screws here. Right. The first thing to remove is nothing inside, just the sort of protection slash enclosure. Okay. Remove this bracket. Just like removing all the screws that I can see. one more bracket removed. Wow, it's not moving at all. So there's gotta be something else here that holds it. Oh, just the glue, okay. So glue, that's how it opens up. Here we go. Nice. So it's a little sound absorption here. Little felt. And here's my woofer. Yamaha X611080. Indonesia. Nice. And it's mounted from the front. So to remove it, unfortunately, I will have to remove the whole grill. Wow. Alright. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2. 18 screws. Here we go. Something else holds it. end cap supposed to come out somehow. Oh. I broke it. Well, here's a strange thingy there, but anyway. Oh, it has 2 screws inside. How that? Oh, okay. That's how it's supposed to be removed for you guys if you want to save it. You see, this has a little thingy on top. You have to remove this, and then you have access to the screws. No, you don't. It's even more strange than I thought. Okay. So these screws. Oh, it does actually, yes. That's how it's supposed to be. That's the cover. You peel it off and you have the access to these 2 screws. You can remove them and then you don't have to break stuff. But anyway, I don't need it. And it also holds the end of the grill here. So that's why you cannot remove the grill without it. Okay, let's try the second end with acquired knowledge of right technology. Here we go, 2 screws here. Okay, trying to peel off this thingy. Here we go. Now I have these 2 screws. And it comes out like this, nice. All preserved, okay. Alright, we're moving in the right direction. Here we go. Nice grill. And here's the beauty of Yamaha. Look at that. So we were working on this speaker. This guy I removed before and tried as a PC speaker. Worked fine. Okay. Here's our woofer. Seems in great condition. Let's take it out. Here we go. Indonesia. Very nice. Maybe I can even build some woofer with it. Beauty. So you see, I didn't have to actually take apart all this housing. It's just top mounted, so it comes from here like that, with the wires inside, and it has a little mini connector to it. So I got both woofers out. This is my felt housing, that's how it looks from inside. Yeah, metal enclosure. Very nice design, such a small enclosure. All right for now. We'll see what we can do with those puppies. A quick test. This is my PV amplifier and Blazer 158. Nice amp for practicing and some recordings. That's the original sound of the speaker. So now I'll do a little experiment. I put this speaker, use the magnet of the original speaker to hold it like that and connect it to external speaker. So now only this sucker sound. Well, it's much quieter obviously and much less low. So let's crank it up and see what happens. It's more like hi-fi sound. Very hi-fi sounding speaker. Very clean, extremely clean. Which is let's try with the distortion. interesting, different sound. Very clean. Alright, let's get back to stock speaker. Well, it's less bright, but also the direction of that speaker is this way, so if I turn it, it'll be a little bright, I guess. Yeah. Okay, and one more time.